closer, now closer. The bird's moving. Oh, is he opening his mouth?
No, he's just moving through the weeds.
Oh, he just wants to go up on shore. He's a big one too.
Oh my goodness. Bird's like getting ready, like, maybe they're partners, like, hey, I'll push him your way. Maybe he's hiding and he's Bird's like got his head like, do I dare?
Yeah, he's way up in the weeds now. He's looking for a place to sun.
Over there? Okay.
The only other thing he might snap at is a frog or a snake or something.
The bird is being cautious though. I don't think he's trusting them very much.
Yeah, the way he's turning, you can see both of them now.
Yeah. I guess he's safe for today.
Surprised there's nothing there here. Really no place to lay right here. They got a little spot right there.
Oh, that one's turning. He's turning. What's he doing? That wiggling in the water like that? What's that mean?
He's just like rinsing himself off. Got a hot spot.
Whatever. Got a scratch. He's got an itch.
Yeah, he's got an itch.
No, he's got an itch. He has to scratch.
Yeah.
I had that backwards.
Same difference.
Duh.
He could have been too, that he wasn't comfortable how he was sitting. So, like water to make a little hole.
Maybe he's getting ready to pounce.
He's too far away from that bird. He'd never get that. That bird would be gone.
Bird's backing up. Just going to take a couple steps back.
It's like three of them water down there in that little curve. And that one's going out further. They're probably all out in here.
Oh, I'm sure.
Well, it's like the majority of them know right here and then right over there. Big old gator over there.
Oh, there's another one just popped up.
up.
Where is he? Let me see. Right there. He just popped up.
Turn around.
There's one down there moving out.
This one bird needs to be careful. It's like chicken dinner. Oh, is he moving in? He's moving in. Look at that. He's moving in. Oh, come on, bird. Oh, my God. He's going up a little bit. The bird is like, yeah, I see.
Yeah, that's what I said. Before he gets to him, he's too far away. That bird will be gone.
I don't know that alligator wants to try, though. He seems confident.
See, look at the bird, how he looks.
Oh, my gosh. Be careful, birdie.
He's getting ready. He's getting ready. He's backing up. Oh my God. No. It'd be cool to see something like that. He is going after him. Unless he just wants to lay in that spot. Call it out already. it'll be too hard for him to go after because he's going up the hill.
Mm-hmm.
The bird's watching him. Yeah, see how he just laid down? See how the gator just laid down?
Yeah.
He just wanted to get up in that area. The bird just happened to be there.
Yeah, he's not risking it.
Yeah.
I'll just,
Now watch. There's one right there in the water we don't see. That
oh,
would be,
don't do it.
that
Don't do
would
it.
be
Don't.
cool.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't you know that there's like gators everywhere? Don't do it. Please don't do it. Okay. He is very brave.
Hey, he's got to eat too.
Hmm.
Yep, that other one went underwater.
Oh my gosh.
He's
I
going,
can't.
he's going under the water. He's coming this way.
Hopefully that bird has an up close and personal view that he can see in the water.
You get a good perspective on it. You get a good perspective of the big guy.
Okay. Good luck, bird. I can't manage.